Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by opening the image in Photopea and locating the text you want to change. If the text is on a live text layer, select it in Layers. If it's rasterized, you'll need to recreate it. Make sure the layer isn't locked and that the Layers panel is visible. This allows quick switching. Next, choose the Type tool and click the existing text or the area where you'll place new text. Once done, you're ready to edit content and font properties. Now focus on changing the text itself. If it's a live text layer, double-click with the Type tool and type your new content, then adjust font, size, color, and tracking in the top options. This preserves vector quality. If the text is rasterized, remove it using the marquee and content-aware fill or clone with the spot healing/clone stamp, then add a new type layer that matches the original style. Use the eyedropper to sample color and free transform to fit placement and perspective before finalizing. Finish by ensuring the new text sits naturally. Tweak opacity, blend mode, and layer effects like drop shadow or bevel to match the original. Save a PSD to preserve layers and export a PNG or JPEG for sharing. If the text looks off, make sure color sampling and font weight match. Use free transform to correct size and perspective, and nudge precisely with arrow keys. If edges show artifacts after replacement, run a small Gaussian blur on the background patch, then reapply the type layer. This usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.